I'm back, guys. Welcome back to my daily upload. Congratulations to us whoever subscribed. Yes, if it's your first time here and you're seeing me sing, yes guys, we've just made it to 1k subscribers, and this is amazing for this channel because we are growing slowly by slowly, but I appreciate you. If it's your first time here, please join the family and also invite others to come to this channel and also subscribe, because I have amazing content, health content, skincare content, beauty makeup content. Okay guys, yeah, but guys, I'm so grateful. Thank you to the first person who subscribed to this channel, and thanks to all of you who have been on this journey with me. It has not been an easy journey. Temperature is too high. Your current mobile device temperature is too high. Okay, let's do this. So, welcome back to my daily uploads. My name is Sharifahmbazike. If it's your first time here seeing this face, please join the family by subscribing. And if you love this video, of course, after watching, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up and drop a comment under the comment section down below. If you have any skin problem or any inquiry, please just drop it down there. So guys, the reason why I've been so lost, like, I have like several reasons. First thing, I was frustrated, stressed, tired, depressed, like a lot of bunch of things. And guys, the next thing is that guys, I even don't know how to start this, because my phone holder, yes, my phone holder got damaged or broke, whatever it may be, and I felt so stressed. So the only thing that I can tell you is that never attach your feelings to physical tangible equipment, because you can end up dying for nothing. So guys, I had plans of doing this video, yes, but as I had told you that my phone holder got damaged and everything was like on hold. I couldn't do anything. Yapping. Yeah, I got a new folder, and what am I using to record this? I'm using that damaged one, and we are at risk now because anything can happen and we stop recording. But of course, hey, we have our reserved phone holder here, and I'm going to be using it. I just wanted to show it to you guys that, yeah, so I'm happy, I'm glad that I'm having this, and I was able to get it so quick and fast from Mr. Scoop. And Mr. Scoop, thank you for my rotation ring holder. What is it called anyway, guys? I'm forgetting it, but yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. But I got this, and Mr. Scoop was so helpful to me. He was like, okay, I'm going to give you something which is going to help you if at all you cannot record. If this breaks again, I have something that I'm going to be using. And thank you to Mr. Scoop. So today, guys, I'm having this video, and I'm going to be taking you through cracked heels, how you can heal them, and how you can have beautiful smooth heels. Before the video, guys, what is this? These are false lashes. These are my eyelashes. Guys, I've been looking for my eyelashes for ages. And what is he doing here? Guys, what is he doing here? Hey buddy, what are you doing here? For real, I've been looking for you. Oh guys, I think tomorrow even I should film a makeup video, because we finally found our lash. Serious business. Cracked heels are common to everyone, and they happen in both men and women. Am I supposed to say both men and women? Happens to everyone? Really? Okay, I think I need a flat statement like, hey guys, cracked heels happening to everyone in this whole world, but here I have some few natural remedies that you can always use to heal those cracked feet in a shorter period of time. So my first remedy is vegetable oil, because I'm not going to be showing you my heels, I'm sorry to say so, but I'm going to give you the remedies that you can always use. I hope that won't affect you anyways. Yes, so we are going to be using vegetable oil. That is my first remedy. Vegetable oil contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory agents in it. And of course, since it is oily, it will penetrate deeper into your skin by massaging your hair every night when you're going to sleep. And make sure that after massaging your hair, you put on stockings or socks, yes, until morning, then you wash your oil off. This will help you smoothen and nourish your hairs. Then let's go to my tip number 2. My tip number 2 is we are going to be using shea butter. Yes, you can buy shea butter like this one. Yes, so shea butter, since it is also in form of Vaseline or anything that you can already smear onto your skin, so shea butter is more good and it has it has more benefits, yes, when it comes to skin, when it comes to soothing, when it comes to smoothing, when it comes to penetration, when it comes to glowing, when it comes to nourishing. So shea butter will help you really heal your cracked heels so fast by applying it every single time, because it has no side effect. And to be on the safer side, after applying shea butter, actually before applying shea butter, I'll advise you to first soak your legs, yes, your cracked, can I say cracked legs, cracked heels? Okay, you first soak your cracked legs into warm water. You put some salt there. If you have apple cider vinegar, feel free. Then you soak your legs for a certain period, like 20 minutes. So my third remedy is we are going to be using honey. Yes, this honey, and I always advise you to get raw honey because it has amazing benefits in it. So honey is a natural antiseptic, so it's going to be helping us heal our cracked legs. So the only technique here that you're supposed to do is get your honey, like 3 teaspoons, and get like 3 cups of water, warm water. Yes, then dip your legs in that water for 5 minutes. Then after, remove your legs. Now if you have oil, vegetable oil, I'm talking about vegetable oil, or if you have shea butter, or if you have sorry about that, if you have, like, if you don't have all those, you can still use your honey and massage your heels very well for 2 minutes, and then the process remains the same. Put on your stockings as you're going to sleep. This remedy is going to be effective more at night because you know you won't be moving around all the time. Yeah, so the properties, the minerals, the nutrients in all those remedies, those ingredients that I've given you are going to be working effectively, and you have positive results. You gotta try this, guys, because it's going to work for you. So thank you for watching. Until next time, in one of these videos, let's get did I say something? Am I getting confused right now? Okay, in these videos, bye bye, though I'm still confused, I don't know what I said.